Gwede Mantashe, the ANC's national chairperson, tells the public that ANC councillors lack capacity. Listen to this clip when he was addressing the so-called roll call of the ANC councillors.
Yema. Whoa, Yema. I know that we have a lot of singing councillors, but we have no councils. We all sing well, but capacity dololo. Yabona, no mamela. Yabona muska ungabona. No.